Share the video, let the video viral. Mama, don't worry. Inagbo, don't worry. Yazere mamo. Yazere mamo. Inagbo, don't worry. Yazere mamo. Now so, share the video, let the video viral. Yazere mama. Yazere mama. Àtàlọ́ máa ń yọ̀ wá. Bọ̀níyàjé ọ̀tá jẹ́ níyàyé o, awùmágá láti jẹ́ o. Balẹ̀ gbé. Àtàlọ́ máa ń yọ̀ wá. Share the video, very short video, share the video. Let the video viral. Ire mama. Inagbo. Ire mama. Be. Yes. Share the video, let the video go viral. Now me una brother una pikin wall of una know. We not the hurry for life. We dey go gently. I come this morning as usual, as I dey beg all of una, my papa, my mama, the youth. Make una subscribe with Prophet Atiti Talk Show. Una go see am for there. May we go start wetin we want start to do. More they take people they happy, more they take people they joke, more they take people they jolly. If una subscribe, go there now. I'll go bath. If una subscribe, go there now. I'll go bath. If una subscribe, go there now. I'll go gallant. So I don't want more a new generation gallant. If you did there, you be man, you be brother, you be sister. You want me your brother gallant? I beg go subscribe to Prophet Atiti Talk Show. I beg all of una. So na very short video now I want to drop this morning. Now the way the link when I go pass go my YouTube Prophet Atiti Top Show. Now I write am for there. I go see share the video. I beg una not say people will not subscribe. Or if people will they not subscribe for they never baff. I want one baffle, I want one gallant. I beg una help me share the video, make it viral. Make una go subscribe for my Prophet Atiti Top Show. So that I get her for many things when I want to start now. I get her for many things. I believe say anybody, any man when you go there, you go receive the blessing, you go receive the miracle. So what day when I go take joke with talking, I go take you joke with talking and prayer. I go take you joke with talking. You go laugh. Put the one you take laugh, put me. Now so you see blessing go to follow your house they go. The way you take laugh put, I go take joke talk am but na prayer. As you dey receive and you laugh put, now that the healing go enter your body. So now so we dey do am. You know say that people like us we need prophets at the new generation. We know the hurry. Now small we go dey drop our message for YouTube. As we dey drop am, you go dey enjoy, you go dey collect am. You know another thing not dey hungry you again to do again. As also that YouTube go dey go, you go dey look the message when I go dey drop for there. So I just come this morning, come tell my brothers and my sisters where they are part of the globe. I beg make una subscribe go that Prophet Atiti Top Show. Move for quick start wetin we want quick start. But anyway, we know the hurry, we know the too much the hurry. Now small, they say a patient dog. We are tired. Patient dog or itu boloko. I mean a patient dog boloko eat a patient dog. So I don't know how to tell you talk. So any I talk now understand. Now no say me I not go a school. I dey tell you now the time say I not go school. So what I dey beg una this morning. All the word when I dey talk for years, the more important thing when I dey talk for years since you know say if I not come take and they sing for our people now, they don't go believe. You know say some people dey there. They not get small one, they not get big one. Not to destroy the day. Some people dey there, they not get big one, they not get small one. You know say people like butterfly, like they not get small one, they not get big one. Not to destroy or to bring person page right there. Me I dey cry now, make God do my own for me. You see, and now when it go don't grow now, some people wait there for them. Now know the club where they do. I don't talk una wait there, una go memorize, una go analyze, and I know the people when I dey talk, where they know they get small one, they know they get big one. My papa tell me say not to spoil. Now they did since where they come this life. All those kind of people, I want to go bath, I want to go gallant. I beg, make una subscribe, go my Prophet Atiti Top Show. So now so I don't talk that one finish. Una good morning, my brothers and my sister. Let me go to my darlings. If you do not work in or receive wire to have we needed to even while we are now. No allow. While we your boname, we are going to subscribe to Prophet Atiti Top Show. Ni make na ya huwe, ni make na ya gallant. Because we are setting one me bania, maybe ido gallant, ido huwe, no allow, no subscribe to Prophet Atiti Top Show. A short video ne imo bombe ni de auwe na. But I do akamu one no allow, no subscribe to Prophet Atiti Top Show. And then when I subscribe, I arrive at the Aswau, it is Swau and Wakere. I beg Nika, Nidoswa was a pana, he come one and we promise one, may give me Pomegania, Eviniado, Iwene. Even I feel you, I feel you in it. No, normal or away. So if you had a short video, no. If you had to drop a when you drop a nobody important to wait short video, and nobody important. We allow we subscribe to Prophet Atiti Top Show. Ni ma make another gbo woyokpan. Na make another asio belly. Na make another artiste. We allow one honorary me video na wona go mega you born in evie do na hini ne evie wo me na hin imane wa yo bono polo gbe every logo no wa ri wa do wa pion no wa pion oga gba kere da de ni wa bege mi no ma no oga laja wa ola gba kere da de why me what akpobo aga nani seni wa appeal like a love wa appeal like a love even no ma appeal like a love yi so iga we ne iga suone what I mean wa appeal like a love you like a love what that's one appeal yo so ni aye miamia because iyan we even no mo ma je petu we akata wa mi yani nana mi ne kere mi nana mi no kwa bi yan o me video paniyan wege no pe awera me bije me we me aso me awogi me awa titiwe so na o me video paniyan wege no pe ave ma no nana mi ne kere nana mi no kwa ni iyan na wupo eyan kevio vi yan re wupo yan kevio vi yan re egbe mi re oni o ba be ni meje e video ni ma ye laye bare iye ga e uponori laye bare me hin awe vi yan ni eri wa drop a message na say via do no go me uwa ya to mi na gbon ma wa gbe e ti mo ma ni na bi le go mi na ti mo ma but iwe ni ka ye ge ne for at least 2 weeks or 1 month ka ye ge de video ni ala wa ma ila ye bare ya de gbe ladian o ma ni meje ivi me yan enwi na ni hu kaka boya ewi ire ito media na iya ga nware iya ga le video ya kian ni me to bi me wu de ba ni me be gun ayi platform ma we no ma delete e oge ni na no wan na do yo bo gbera ba owe iya no mu no ma iya no be si o ma oge ya kian o me video so ni ya wu iya no mu no ma na oge ya be ya kian iya be si o ma o me video so ni ya wu e ga no pe e me we ni we do imi video e na sisi video we na ri nu ye bare e na we ni do imi video e video ni oyegwe me iyega egmeso ya yege ogala yogere ne wodo iga en do la yogo mere ne e na we ni do ka mu wa video no mu gbina o ka mu ezo because o ma be ni meje ya be la dia ba emi no ta we ba ni emi ni ta we ba ya video lo ni yan because e no na ta ni emano buga akpobo yo emano buna gbe ni comment emano buna call yo emano ga call yo ni isuyan no mu no ma be balabala iya ma ka ma gbe mi nu na ma mi abe do sun ogo me na ba na be do sun ogo me ba na be ya ge 2 weeks na ya ge video na ya re ba na be do sun ogo me do sun ai balabala ni gbe ni ya be gbe because iya ga akpobo yo iya ga pe comment yo iya ma ka ma gbe mi nu na ma so I see no reason mi abe do sun ogo me abe balabala ni da ka we enyi veri gbegbe ke mi da yo to ni mene ime ga we kemi dan yo to nu we ibe ya cinema ya no ga gbe comment yo bege ni be me yibana na so video me na ubana ina temi no mawunu ina temi no yewu e like and love yan kan gbe yo iyan kan da gbe comment dan yo iyan kan da call dan yo emi ni me gun akan ni no mani ore no re ni e ma kan agun akan so e gbe video be ri oni iye ta ore ave ko le 2 weeks o ma e ave ye la je video because iyan we e so biaze o ma yo ogere no ka gbele then we tag me we wu me ba we be yo we wetu we ya hu a o me gwa le gbe be yo we ya ri ye vari omo no me nwa e me kere kere ata me ogiyan we ya ri video ni ye vari o ma ri ye mi ya we ta video ni mi abi do lonu wa ya no ga comment yo wa no ga gbe comment kina gbo bi ogbo yi wa me gbe yo eri o wa eri ta ese ibi edo no go me wa ya we se wa no me video na we no go me ga e no ma o kan me no ma ya we tan fi ma do edigwa gbe o ma wa be mi ya ni ta na be je ni ga fili 10 filo so when oreba no se tin yan tani ugu ni an ugu ya ka mi no kino yan no mu no ma yan no be si o ma ugu gen ya kian ugu ya ka mi yan we no la e video na da se me na da se embarrassment na da se proprieties na da se paradises so what de ya ka mi gbe ma be ri oni ya ri video ni ko se mi no so no me no ya be la jan ba ku e ona be so no me iye be de dogun kan ebi no gun kan we ba ni emi abi ya gun kan because ma ga ro ga popo ne bi ni ye ta se na bi ni ye ta kian e ma ro no ga call yo we e ma ta no iyan wa e ma wa e kino ma me kenita kenimata awa titi time yan na da atale ya kwa so egbe ma be ri we to we ye o ne emi we e dokpa de no be kon me iwe ade do ta eri we kan me be do ta yiba so e ni ma je na ni anu wala o where subscribe ya Prophet Atiti Top Show wa subscribe ya here na make na do swim na me route no bu eyebe leru no ma where you ask shall be given una nore we oge kwe oge wayo oyebe senu e ma so ro no kere una da adam ma ge adam wege a church ni we you dey Sunday ni we are be church ni we megbe ulu ko wayo ya ri church ni gbe we abi adio bi me we na we lu ke wayo ya adio bi me even we no re enwuna no eri oba no ya leru no ma yebe nwuna yebe abe root abamajiti no se fat yegbere ime no bun ya la YouTube ne fe ko da na no kade da na na kere we de agbe no yewo odo de no ma be je agbon ma bayi do igogbo no ya de agbon ma ba no be je we ubere do no ma bere ayebe mi TV Joshua ayebe mi Jeremiah ayebe mi Suleiman o ari odoni so edita se video no mi video na wono gumega wa ya wese wa ya to mi na gba ma wa gbe wa yo pa ogi manu wa na ye fa ogi manu wa kere e ma fe ko ya asie ma asie bo the best is always the best e wa le living ya zedo e wa le living ya gun e but wa gbe okoto no manoro wa giri ne manoro wa file kwa we be ari yo we no be ma bi yo we wa be ari ewo wa be bagi me no mani aya we mi only on so na me primary 1 primary 2 primary 3 primary 4 primary 5 primary 6 I do me secondary school I do me university only on so na me ya I ba we fun pafo when me be talk me na no we ma wo go me be die u bi ari jere u bi ari no po bi ari u bi ari no po yari I me teacher kwa we school teacher na me we school nya gbeda gbe so wana we mi ne man oro so man we teacher mi ne man oro be yan no mu no man yan no se o mani o ge ya kian wana we se wani wana we mi no ma wa we pa ware egbe ma we no se o man no mu no mani wa we ko to ade ni ya la ni yan ma me pa no mani ya o na yo ge kian egbe ma we ni je kege ni ya ade so if you do no mo se rita so we na eriwa drop a message na say nuwala o piare wa ko rewa nuwala no wa subscribe ya Prophet Atiti Top Show you know why important the way matter ya nita sin be koko mo chila sta yi wa mo jane ni vie be no pe na nuwala no wa subscribe David Nema when we subscribe be carried that David Nema money ya we video no Nema we YouTube ni David Nema when we subscribe be carried that we subscribe yone but him again mi video ya fe kin wa second warame gracias 4 si him again we ya fe first kin wa second warame wala no subscribe ya Prophet Atiti Top Show he drop the messages of we na wa ya to emi na gbon ama wa ya gbe wa yo pa wori man wa ye fa wori man wa ugogo all la jowa emi no ma e wa ya yan gbo erita se wa kian se pe o